Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing scientific facts that you won't believe. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open. We're talking about things that seem straight out of science fiction, but I assure you it's all backed by science. We're going to journey from the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, uncovering the hidden wonders of our incredible universe. So strap yourselves in, get your thinking caps on, and let's get started. Have you ever wished you could live forever? Imagine a world where aging is just a myth and the concept of growing old is a thing of the past. Well, there's a creature on Earth that can do just that. It's not a character from a science fiction novel, but a real-life marvel of nature. It's called the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the Immortal jellyfish. This tiny, translucent jellyfish holds the secret to eternal life. This amazing little creature has figured out a way to cheat death. Unlike other organisms that age and eventually die, the immortal jellyfish can reverse its aging process. When it faces stress or injury, it doesn't just give up and die. Instead, it has a remarkable survival strategy. Instead, it reverts back to its polyp stage, like a teenager hitting the reset button on life. This means it can start its life cycle anew over and over again. This process is called transdifferentiation, and it allows the jellyfish to essentially transform its cells and start its life cycle all over again. It's like having a biological time machine. Imagine being able to turn back the clock on aging. The implications for human health and longevity are mind-boggling. While humans haven't cracked that code yet, studying the immortal jellyfish could potentially unlock secrets to cellular regeneration, and maybe, just maybe, lead to incredible breakthroughs in human health and longevity. Scientists are fascinated by this creature and are working tirelessly to understand its secrets. The next time you're feeling down about getting older, just remember the immortal jellyfish, forever young and swimming the seas. It serves as a reminder of the incredible possibilities that nature holds. You probably think Earth has only one moon, and you're mostly right, but did you know that Earth sometimes captures these cosmic wanderers, small asteroids, into its gravitational embrace? These mini-moons, some no bigger than a car, end up orbiting our planet for a short while. It's like Earth adopts a little space buddy for a while. They don't hang around forever, though. Eventually, these temporary satellites succumb to the gravitational pull of the sun and drift away, continuing their journey through the vastness of space. While they're with us, these mini-moons provide valuable insights into the early solar system and the composition of asteroids. Think about it, for a brief period, we have 2 moons illuminating our night sky. Prepare to have your mind blown, because I'm about to tell you that you're more microbe than human. Yes, you heard that right. The human body is a complex ecosystem, teeming with life forms that aren't human at all. That's right, more than half the cells in your body aren't even human. They belong to bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. These tiny inhabitants outnumber your human cells by a ratio of about 1.3 to 1. Don't freak out. These little guys aren't out to get you. In fact, they're essential for your survival. They play a crucial role in maintaining your health and well-being. They help you digest food, synthesize vitamins, and even protect you from harmful pathogens. Without them, your body wouldn't function as efficiently. This diverse community of microbes living inside you is called your microbiome. And it's more complex than you might imagine. It's like a bustling city, with trillions of inhabitants, each with its own role to play. Scientists are only beginning to understand the vast influence the microbiome has on our health. From our digestion and immunity to our mental well-being, the research is still in its early stages. But the findings are promising. So the next time you're feeling outnumbered, remember the trillions of tiny allies living inside you, working tirelessly to keep you healthy and thriving. Embrace your inner ecosystem and appreciate the incredible symbiosis that makes you, you. We all know that water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit and freezes at 32 degrees, right? But what if I told you that water can actually boil and freeze at the same time? It sounds crazy, but it's true. This mind-bending phenomenon is called the triple point, and it occurs under very specific conditions of temperature and pressure. At the triple point, water exists in a state of perfect equilibrium where it can simultaneously exist as a solid, liquid, and gas. Picture this, a container with water inside. As we lower the pressure and carefully adjust the temperature, we reach a point where ice, liquid water, and water vapor coexist in perfect harmony. It's like a scientific magic trick. Octopuses are already some of the strangest and smartest creatures in the ocean, but they're even more extraordinary than you might think. For starters, they have not one, not two, but three hearts pumping blood through their bodies. Two of these hearts work exclusively to pump blood through the gills, while the third circulates oxygenated blood to the rest of the body, providing the energy needed for their active lifestyle. And if three hearts weren't enough, octopuses also have blue blood. That's right, instead of iron-rich hemoglobin, they have copper-rich hemocyanin in their blood, which gives it a distinctive blue color. This unique adaptation allows them to thrive in cold ocean depths where oxygen levels are low. With three hearts pumping blue blood, octopuses are like something out of a science fiction novel. Here on Earth, we take for granted that a day is shorter than a year. But on Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, things are a bit topsy-turvy. Imagine a planet where a day is actually longer than its year. That's Venus. Venus rotates on its axis incredibly slowly, taking a whopping 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. But here's the kicker, it only takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means a Venusian day is longer than a Venusian year. Talk about a long day at the office. This bizarre phenomenon is due to Venus's extremely slow retrograde rotation, meaning it spins in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system. Yes, you heard that right. Bananas, those potassium-packed fruits we all know and love, are actually slightly radioactive. But before you swear off banana smoothies forever, let me explain. Bananas contain a naturally occurring isotope of potassium called potassium-40. Isotopes are like variations of an element with different numbers of neutrons, and some isotopes, like potassium-40, are radioactive, meaning they emit tiny, harmless amounts of radiation as they decay. Now, before you panic, the amount of radiation in a banana is incredibly small. So small that you'd have to eat thousands of bananas in one sitting to experience any negative effects. This phenomenon, known as banana equivalent dose, is even used by scientists to put radiation exposure into perspective. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, far below the oceans and continents we know, scientists believe there's a massive hidden ocean. But this isn't your typical ocean, with waves crashing on sandy beaches. This ocean is locked away within the Earth's mantle, trapped inside a mineral called ringwoodite. Imagine a reservoir of water so vast that it dwarfs all the surface oceans combined. This hidden ocean is thought to hold several times the amount of water found in all the rivers, lakes, and seas on Earth's surface. Scientists believe this underground ocean plays a crucial role in the Earth's geology, influencing plate tectonics and volcanic activity. The discovery of this hidden reservoir has revolutionized our understanding of Earth's water cycle and its interior workings. Your brain is an incredible organ capable of processing vast amounts of information and controlling everything from your thoughts and emotions to your movements and bodily functions. But did you know that your brain is also a powerful electrical generator? It's true. Your brain cells, called neurons, communicate with each other using electrical impulses. These electrical signals are constantly zipping around your brain, creating an intricate network of activity. In fact, your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Take a deep breath and think about what you're breathing in. Oxygen, nitrogen, and DNA? Yes, you heard that right. Every breath you take is not just a mix of gases, but also a cocktail of genetic material from the world around you. That's right. Recent studies have shown that the air we breathe is teeming with DNA from the countless organisms that share our planet. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest mammals, every living thing leaves behind traces of its genetic code in the environment. This environmental DNA, or eDNA, comes from shed skin cells, hair, saliva, and other biological materials released by living creatures into the environment. These tiny fragments of DNA float through the air, settle on surfaces, and mix with soil and water, creating a vast, invisible network of genetic information. Scientists can collect air samples and analyze the eDNA to identify the different species present in an area, from bacteria and fungi to plants and animals. By examining these genetic clues, researchers can gain insights into the biodiversity of an ecosystem without needing to see or capture the organisms themselves. This revolutionary technology has transformed the field of biodiversity monitoring, allowing scientists to track endangered species, detect invasive species, and study the complex interactions between organisms and their environment. It provides a non-invasive way to monitor ecosystems, offering a clearer picture of the health and dynamics of our natural world. So, the next time you take a breath, remember that you're inhaling a microscopic library of genetic information, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things on Earth. Each breath is a reminder of the intricate web of life that surrounds us, connecting us to every other organism on the planet in ways we are only beginning to understand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. We've journeyed from the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, uncovering some of the most incredible and unbelievable scientific facts. Remember, the world is full of mysteries, and science is the key to unlocking them. Keep those brains buzzing, stay curious, and we'll see you next time for more mind-blowing science.